In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Zoho. If you're aiming for a calmer, distraction-free workspace, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to switch off, while keeping all your emails and data intact. Start by opening Zoho Mail in your web browser and signing in as you normally would. Using a desktop browser makes this easiest because all settings are visible in one place and the layout is consistent. Once you're in Zoho Mail, go to Settings. Look for the gear icon near the top right corner of the screen and click it to open the full settings panel. You might see a search bar inside settings, but you won't need it for this process. We're heading straight to the notification controls. In the settings panel, find and click Notifications. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the left sidebar or under your mail settings. This section is where Zoho gathers the switches that control how and when it alerts you. First, turn off desktop notifications. These are the banner pop-ups your computer shows when there's new activity in Zoho Mail. Turning this off stops those system-level alerts, so you won't have messages sliding onto your screen while you're working. Your email delivery isn't affected. It simply removes the on-screen interruptions. Next, turn off mail notifications. This disables the alerts generated by Zoho Mail when new emails arrive. You'll still receive every message, and you can check your inbox on your schedule, but the app won't ping you each time something lands. Then, turn off Streams notifications. Streams is Zoho's collaboration feed for comments, mentions, and shares related to your work. If your team uses Streams heavily, disabling these alerts is a great way to reduce noise while you focus, and you can always review Streams manually when it suits you. Finally, turn off task notifications. Zoho Mail includes task management with due dates and reminders. Switching this off prevents reminder pings and notification badges, which is helpful if you manage tasks elsewhere or simply want fewer prompts. After you've toggled desktop, mail, streams, and task notifications to off, you're all set. Changes usually save automatically, and the effect is immediate. From now on, Zoho Mail will run quietly in the background without pop-ups or alert sounds. If you ever want notifications back, just return to the same notification section and turn any switch on again. That's it. You've successfully turned off notifications in Zoho using the controls inside Zoho Mail. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox experience.